Hey guys, this is Waylon Zarinsky with Discount Fireworks, WisconsinDiscountFireworks.com. We are going to do a demo tonight. The handheld Lucky Wheels, they're $22 for a 3-pack. They come with 3 of these. You shove them in here, and then it has a stick that you attach. I'll show it to you. And then when they start to spark, it'll power itself to spin, and they're pretty cool. Alright, so that was the handheld Lucky Wheel. You do have to save the stick and reuse it, so that's the only downfall. You can't light all 3 at once, only one at a time unless you buy 3 packages. We've gone and we've redone a lot in our store here in Oxford. I've added all this shelving in the middle. So we have a ton more product in here. We are going to start opening Friday, Saturday, Sunday here in Oxford, 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. for now. Give us a call if you need us for any other hours. Come see us, get yourself some fireworks. Thank you.